So here we go again. This one is designated H08. Now, growing condition. Why is this one so minuscule, so small? Honestly, I don't know. The medium is the same. Oh, by the way, the medium that I use a mixture of organic African violet mix with a equal portions of perlite and peat moss. Maybe I'll show a video of the mix. Now some of you would be saying, oh my gosh, that's not what you're supposed to do. Others would say, well, the mix is wrong. It should be peat and sand. Some would say peat, perlite, and sand. Some would tell you, oh, I use pumice and sand because that's what I see in nature, or what they have read about. I have seen some pictures where they are growing along seepages, sometimes in swampy areas. And at first I was wondering, this thing can actually grow in stagnant, waterlogged bogs. But if you read the description in those pictures, there is a constant water movement underneath the ground. And if there were torrential rains, these things can be submerged. But of course, that's nature. In your environment, you need to figure out what soil works best for you. That's all I have to say to that. So in my situation, African violet mix, peat moss, and perlite. That's what works. So in looking at this plant, I don't see any major issues. Nothing major, except there's additional growing points, which I don't want. There's some leaves here that's growing, I don't want. Here's another leaf growing. Oh, I don't see that. Sorry guys. Let's see. This one, I don't need that. This one I'll leave alone. Again, what I'm doing is removing excessive pitcher development. The fewer the pitcher, fingers crossed, the larger the plant. And this one, don't need it. As I move along. Okay. Alrighty then. And I see a little pup here. Don't need it. So I think that's about it for this plant. It's doing well. It's growing. Here's a very old picture from the very beginning. Still exists. Now these pictures actually last quite a long time. I have plants that retain their pictures for over a year, sometimes 2 years. Do I dare say maybe 3? But normally I remove them far before their end of life for the picture. So let me go ahead and feed these guys. I'll feed this a little bit, this a little bit, and this a little bit. and then top it off with water, little bit, little bit. So that's 3. Should I feed more? Oh, maybe I'll feed this 3. Yeah, why not? I'm in a good mood right now. So, a little bit, little bit, little bit, and top it off. Alright, there you go. What do you think, guys? Thank you for watching. Have a good day. I don't know.